Lambda Layers, sharing code and dependencies. In this tutorial, we'll explore one of the most powerful features for organizing and reusing code in AWS Lambda. A Lambda layer is a zip archive containing libraries, custom runtimes, or other dependencies that can be shared across multiple Lambda functions. Think of layers as reusable code packages that you can attach to multiple functions. They allow you to separate your dependencies from your function code, making your deployments cleaner and more maintainable. There are several compelling reasons to use Lambda layers. First, they result in smaller deployments by keeping your function packages lightweight. Second, they enable code reusability, allowing you to share the same code across multiple functions. Third, they enable faster updates since you can update dependencies independently without redeploying your entire function. Finally, they provide better organization by separating your business logic from dependencies. Layers follow a specific directory structure. A layer zip file contains folders organized by runtime. For Python, you would create a Python folder, then lib, then Python 3.x, and finally site packages. Similar structures exist for other runtimes. When your Lambda function executes, layers are automatically extracted to the /op directory in the Lambda execution environment, making them available to your code. Creating a layer is straightforward. First, create the proper directory structure using mkdir with the -p flag. Then, install your dependencies using pip with the -t flag to specify the target directory. Next, create a zip file containing the Python folder. Finally, publish the layer using the AWS CLI command publish layer version, specifying the layer name, zip file location, and compatible runtimes like Python 3.12. Once you've created a layer, you can attach it to any Lambda function. Using the AWS CLI, run the update function configuration command with the function name and the full ARN of your layer, including the region, account, layer name, and version. Alternatively, you can use the AWS console by navigating to your function's configuration tab, selecting layers, clicking Add a Layer, and choosing your custom layer from the list. Lambda layers come with some important limitations to keep in mind. Each function can have a maximum of 5 layers attached. The total unzipped size of all layers combined with your function code cannot exceed 250 megabytes. Each individual layer has a size limit of 50 megabytes when zipped and 250 megabytes when unzipped. Additionally, layers are immutable and version-based, meaning once you publish a layer version, you cannot modify it. You must create a new version instead. To get the most out of Lambda layers, follow these best practices. Group dependencies by purpose, organizing them by function type or domain for better maintainability. Use semantic versioning for layer updates to track changes clearly. Keep your layers lean by including only necessary dependencies to minimize size and cold start times. Finally, always test compatibility to verify that runtime and dependency versions work correctly together before deploying to production.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.